Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 智. Step by step, I will first write it in regular script, then follow in one word and one sentence. Now let's write 智. To make. To control. For example, 复制. To copy or reproduce. 复制. Now here's the sentence. You would copy back all your files. Copy back. All your files.把所有的文件复制回去。把所有的文件复制回去。把所有的文件copy back 复制回去。You would copy back all your files. 把所有的文件复制回去。智 in cursive.智 to make, to control. 复制 to copy. Reproduce. You would copy back all your files. 把所有的文件复制回去。智. Please comment any sentence with the character 智. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.